Quite a bit of damage this morning. Had a pretty heavy-duty storm last night, and the road was blocked here this morning with these two guys. Two big pines fell over, completely blocked the road. Most of the stuff is in there now. There's a little stack of wood. Got this little guy, I can get him out of the way, no problem. Deer flies are out. And I didn't bring my deer fly killer. Boy, I hope I can move that tree, because I just took the chainsaw apart, and probably not a good idea. Alright, I'm getting swarmed.